Let us solve one all-day efficiency-based numerical as long answer type. So here we have to compare two type of performances of the transformer based on load as all-day efficiency. Let us read the question. We have to find all-day efficiency of a transformer having maximum efficiency of 98%. We are given maximum efficiency as 98%. At how much? At 15 kVA with unity power factor. Okay. And we have to compare its all-day efficiencies for two load cycles. We will assume that load to operate on unity power factor all day means we don't have to think about the power factor. It is all the time unity power factor. Means what? The loads are resistive or lighting loads. Lighting loads में पावर फैक्टर इज ऑलमोस्ट यूनिटी ऑल द टाइम. तो हमारे पास जो दो टाइप के डाटा है, एक डाटा है उसमें हमारे पास फुल लोड पर 20 kVA फुल लोड पर ट्रांसफार्मर को कितने घंटे काम करना है? 12 आवर्स एंड नो लोड रेस्ट ऑफ द डे. तो 12 आवर्स के लिए नो लोड मीन्स ओनली आयरन लॉसेस टू बी कंसिडर्ड. दूसरी कंडीशन हमें दी है कि फुल लोड पर 4 आवर्स पर डे है ना. 4 आवर्स पर डे फुल लोड 20 kVA. Okay, and remaining time we have to consider 20 kVA here or 15 kVA here. तो यहाँ पर हम देखते हैं कि we have to go for already given maximum load, so 20 kVA we have to consider. Okay, next we are given no load on the 0.4 of full load rest of the day. तो 0.4 of full load कितने घंटे के लिए? 4 hours यहाँ हो गया 20 hours के लिए. Okay, so this way we have to compare two all day efficiencies. तो सबसे पहले तो हमारे पास चूंकि मैक्सिमम एफिशिएंसी दिया है, मैक्सिमम एफिशिएंसी कब होता है? It would be at when iron losses are equal to copper losses. एक्सप्रेशन वाइज कहें तो P output plus 2P iron losses would give you the input power and P output is here output power. So from here you can calculate the value of iron losses. We are given output as 15 kVA at unity power factor. So 15 plus 2pi is 0.98. Okay. So this will give us Pi is equal to 0.153 किलोवाट. ठीक है, अब ये तो हमारा एक पार्ट हो गया. मगर Pi by Pc would be how much? P copper. That would be that part of K square, which will give you value of copper losses. That is Pi is how much? 0.153 divided by K square will give us P copper as 0.272 kilowatt. Okay, so here we are now left with the solution in terms of iron loss मिल गया, copper loss मिल गया. Now we have to only see output power. Okay, तो output power के लिए सबसे पहले हम A केस देख लें. A केस में हमें कैलकुलेट करना है 20 kVA for 12 hours and unity power factor load है, we don't have to see that. Then 12 hours for no load. तो 20 kVA पर हमें copper losses और iron losses चेक करने होंगे, 12 पे no load losses. So total output power would be, P output would be what? 20 into 12 plus 0 into 12 gives us 240 kilowatt hour. ओके, अब हमारे पास क्या बचता है? हमारे पास है इनपुट पावर. तो इनपुट पावर के लिए आउटपुट पावर प्लस वी हैव टू सी बोथ द लॉसेस Pi for 0.24 hours and copper loss for how much time? 12 hours. So copper loss is 0.272. इसको हम रिप्लेस कर दें 0.272 किलोवाट इंटू 12 hours. So this will give us what? Value of input power as 246.9 kilowatt hour. So now all day efficiency would be P output in kilowatt hour, P input in kilowatt hour. Okay, into 100. This will give us all day efficiency as after calculation 97.2%. Next we are having second cycle, that is 4 hours for 20 hours and 20 kVA and 0.4 into full load for 20 hours. तो इसको भी हम calculate करके देख लें. So here we have to calculate output power again in case of P. So it is P output is equal to how much? 4 hours के लिए 20 kVA into unity power factor जिसको हम बार बार मेंशन नहीं कर रहे हैं plus 0.4 into 20 into how much time? 20 hours. Okay, which will give you output power as 240 kilowatt hour. अब हमें क्या निकालना है? Input power. तो input power के लिए first of all 240 plus iron losses 0.153 plus copper losses at what percentage of power? We are having only 4 hours के लिए 20 kVA and remaining के लिए 0.4 full load. So here we have to first into 4.272. 4 into 0.272. And second case plus what? 8 by 20 whole square into 0.272 for remaining hours, that is how much? 20 hours. Okay, so this will give us P input as 245.6 kilowatt hour, and this is giving us all day efficiency as P in by P out in kilowatt hour into 100 as 240 divided by 245.6, which is coming out to be 97.7%. So here we can observe there is a difference in both all day efficiencies. जब हमारे पास बिल्कुल no load पर रह रहा था, we had 97.2, 12 घंटे no load पर है ट्रांसफॉर्मर. जबकि जब ट्रांसफॉर्मर कुछ ना कुछ लोड डिलीवर कर रहा है, तब it is all day efficiency is 97.7.